Hello, 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 hello. So what do we have now? We do have a Draghi speech. All right, so what is actually happening with our currency pairs? So let's start with Aussie dollar. So the pair is in between these two very strong volume kind of weighted levels 0.751 and 0.748.40. So basically what I see now at the moment that the price is not actually moving anywhere. So what is happening? The market has not decided where it will move. So basically what I'm waiting for an up move, as you can see here, but I do believe that the down move is possible at the moment because we didn't have any clear impulse moves at the moment. So basically, do not recommend to do anything at the moment. It's 15-minute charts and we are above our closest like weighted support area and below the resistance. So basically the price is not somewhere on the line where we can actually make some sort of decision and do something. All right, so let's go to euro dollar just a second. Just let me make sure that. All right, so what is happening with the euro pound? Let's have a look at euro pound first. So of course the situation can change, so the price can actually move somewhere, and it will move definitely at some point. It's just not actually usual that something like this is actually happening, so that's something what I didn't like. So we still have some news tomorrow in eurozone, so it's a pound mostly, and core CPI on Canada as well. So the market will be shaky today and tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, so it's not the best day on the week to trade. So we'll see what is going to happen actually. Okay, so let's go to euro pound. I don't know why didn't it load. Okay, so the price is going up at the moment. It does approach our resistance line here at 0.83840. So there is a possible breakout of this one. As you can see, I wrote here that short-term target trail after breakout. Basically, if in case if this area will be broken, then the price is going to go up. Okay, so let's go a bit further. What do we have? Well, what would I suggest to do at the moment? I don't like these kind of shapes. So basically, we must see the direction first and then wait for a correction. That's something what will definitely happen. Why? Because we actually didn't see any impulse moves. So it's not going to happen today. So the market first has to come out of the range and then show us where it will go. So what's going to happen basically next. So that's it. Let's go a bit further. It's a euro dollar. Well, as you can see, it's basically on one of our strong resistance areas here. So there is a possibility that the price will continue its up movement towards one of these levels here, so 10680 or 1.10820. So, and due to the main direction of the trend, well, I want to sell it and I wanted to do so in the morning. So all these levels are based on volume, so it's not just some kind of FIBO or something like this. And they are not structural. As you can see, they do work, and this level is well respected at the moment. So we must see some kind of price action. So in case if we'll see a strong up move, then we'll be able to place a limit order around here, and the price will kind of return. Well, normally I'm rounding up these numbers. So here is 1.1050. Yeah, so I would use this level here. And in case if the price will continue its up movement, then we'll just be able to place a limit order here. But what I think is possible to happen, that we'll have some kind of reversal pattern around these areas here. Okay, what's that? All right. So that's something basically what is possibly going to happen here. Let's go a bit further. So no rush into the market, definitely. This is not something what you must do today. So here, as you can see, well, I've even made a post here that, well, these levels, they do really work. These levels has been known after the US was closed, like within 1 hour after its closure. So as you can see, this one was almost kind of triggered, so just a few pips below, and this one was clearly triggered here, but well, now we are kind of in the middle of this kind of area, so nothing is happening actually. So all right, so don't see any patterns, don't recommend to do anything, So what do we have now? We do have some news coming as well in US. Just a sec. It will be in about 1 hour, so it's a home sales, existing home sales. So will it kind of move the market a lot? Not sure, but it will probably direct the market out of the range somewhere. So that's something what is possibly going to happen. So basically, why I'm always drawing something very simple like this thing. So what does it do? In case if the price will break through it and clear these two levels, if this level will not be broken, then it will be a good resistance point. And we do have time to enter kind of support and resistance, as you can see here. So the price is always returning to the important level. So in case if some kind of proper level has been broken, the price will always return back to there. So what it means that, for example, if the price is breaking this level up, then we can place a buy limit order there, and then we'll be able to buy it with a better price. So just trading a breakout is not something what you have to do. Well, if you like it, that's all right. I mean, you can make money with a breakout system also. All right, let's go further. What do we have here? It's Kiwi. These are the session lines I've counted before the European session started. So as you can see, nothing is happening here at the moment. It might be a reversal pattern. It's a 15-minute chart. So basically, if I'll turn to 1 hour, you can see nothing is happening here. So there is no reason to sell or to buy. We don't have any clear patterns on the side. So we didn't see that the price has stopped somewhere and wanted to reverse. So what is happening at the moment, it is just a noise. So when we see noise, we just avoid the market. That has to be the main rule. So because the market is not running away, it will be here tomorrow, and you'll be able to make some money tomorrow as well. You can only stay on this condition that you can understand. So then you can stay and trade it. If you don't understand what is happening at the moment and you are just trying to jump in, that's wrong and you will lose. Okay, dollar CAD, the price has actually, this is an option level. It has triggered this level here, as you can see quite clearly 2 hours ago. And we did have a sort of reversal pattern here, but the only thing why we are not trading it, because I do expect the price to bounce of this level here at 1.29874, and that's where I'm trying to buy it. So that's something what I'm waiting for. And until the price is below this level here, 1.30713, we do have a chance that the price will continue to its down move to support level at 1.29874. Well, basically, since today I've decided on, especially on some charts, to use like volume and open interest weighted levels only. So basically I did have a session levels around here, but the thing is that some currencies are just too noisy. So we must filter out all the levels we don't need. Okay. So it's dollar franc, the next one. So basically I did have, as you can see, that's something what I'm expecting. I want this market to go up. And as far as I can see, it has already triggered limit order, stop loss orders around this area here. It has happened like 2 times today, well, 3. So first stop loss orders around here were triggered with this one. All the stop loss orders that has been put after that around here has been triggered here. The same is happening around this area. So basically what we do have, if the price will be closed, like this 4-hour candle will be closed above, this is 1 hour by the way, but if we'll switch to 4-hour and we'll see that the price has respected one of these levels and it's not going lower to this one. Let me call you what level it is. It's 0.98045. Then we are going to buy it. So basically it might be a good idea to buy it now, but I prefer to wait till the candle is closed and I can see clearly that the pattern has been created, that it wasn't just a stop of the price around this area and now the price will continue its down movement. So that's basically something what I need. Okay, let's go to euro yen. Oh, sorry, dollar yen. Dollar yen, as you can see, this level did work. Actually, short-term target trail after breakout. Well, breakout didn't happen. Unfortunately, I have missed this trade here. I hope you didn't, those guys who are following me, because I have placed a clear kind of signal here in the morning. The thing is that I was away of my trading machine, so I was next to my basically laptop, but I'm not trading from laptop, so I do have kind of a trading room here. And the thing is that I actually was able to give you this signal, but unfortunately wasn't able to kind of sell it here. So that's fine. I did make some money on buying franc today, so all what I lost yesterday with gold, it has been covered, so that's all fine now. Well, let's go a bit further. What do we have next? So as you can see, I do expect this price to fall, but to sell it, the price has to reach kind of this level or maybe go a bit further. At the moment, price is in range. As we all know, the range, how the range is going to be broken, well, I don't then have to tell you about that. All right, so I hope, and that's why I'm not going to tell about it. All right, very quickly. So what I want to say, so for example, we are in the middle and we are creating a lower degree range here. So something like this, but it's all kind of happening here. So sorry, I just had to draw it just around here. Let me try it one more time. So the price is going up. Not up, but up and down, up and down. I don't know for how long will it be, but what is happening when our range is going to be broken? The price is not going just in one direction. So something like this is happening. And then it goes down, or it can be different. So we do have this kind of wick. So it does break one side to go to another. Why? Because it needs volume to move. And that's where all the... Ooh. What did I press here? All right. Didn't get it. Okay, fine. Nice. Let's go further. Mexican. That's another something what I don't really like what I see, where I don't really like what I see. So might be a bit better, but as you can see here, so I'm expecting it to bounce, to go down, but I'm not sure where about will it, because we'll see how this week will be closed. I do really hope that it won't kind of close higher than the high of the previous week. So we must kind of watch it. Look what's happening. I just see on my other monitor what is happening with euro. So it's classic, basically. It means that we might have a very good selling opportunity here. So as you can see, the price has actually triggered this level and it's closed like this. So what it is, it's 15-minute chart. It's been closed on 15-minute chart. So I will try to place a limit order around this area to sell it. Let me actually do it. I'm using very small lot here, to be honest. Not going to use it a lot. We'll wait till it is triggered and then I'll go move forward with the analysis. It's not yet triggered. All right. Opening with only one broker for now. Then I'll see what's going on and what is going to happen later on. All right. So, okay. So, yes, it might be a very good down move, but because of this level, yes. My order is not triggered yet because I've used limit order just above the price, current price. If I'll switch to 15-minute chart, you'll see what I did basically. So I've just played about here. All right, so now we'll see what is going to happen with this level here in case if it will be broken down. So for now, I am able to move my limit order to 1.1025. 1.1025. Oh. Okay, so the price will possibly move back to this level before it will continue to go down. But again, it doesn't look like it's a down moving structure, but it might be. As you can see, we did have some sort of congestion here. Then it kind of whipsawed all these guys who were short here with the stop losses above this thing here this week. Okay, so will I be triggered or not? Well, if I will, then I will tell you about it. And then I'll see what's going on, and possibly I'll open with another broker as well. I'll go short with another broker as well. All right, so let me leave it as it is for now. Okay, so yes, I want to talk about gold. That's the last one for now. And as we can see, so what I do expect, I do want to buy it. But as we know, the gold and euro sometimes is correlated, and it's been for last few days, I would say. It's been correlated. So what it means that the price, if the euro is going down, it means that the gold will go down or will be in flat. Okay, it's not necessarily is happening the same every day. It's always different and it's changing. But I mean, in general, it's been for the past few days now, like this. Okay, so what do I do here? Nothing at the moment, waiting for these two lines. All these lines are weighted by volume, so we are waiting for something from here, like 1314.20. What will happen around this level in case if I'll see a bullish reversal, then I'm going to buy it. Okay, guys, nothing is happening with my euro position at the moment, so it does look like a noise still. In case if the, let me talk about it a bit more. So in case if the price will break through this level here, which is, let me tell you, 1.150. So in case if it will break through it and will go kind of steadily down, then you'll be able to place a limit order to this level here, 1.10040. The price will trigger it. The thing is that these levels, these two orange levels, as you can see, they are in the middle. So they are basically kind of a balance line for today, I would say. Balance levels for today. I'm choosing them like this. Okay, guys, so that's about it for now. I wish you a very good trading, and hope that everything is good with you and you are not worried about where the price will go because your risks are well managed. All right, guys, have a good one. I'll see you later.